Has someone you know just moved house, or have you just bought your first house? Why not spruce up the place with a custom designed cushion cover? These are really simple to do. All you'll need is a flatbed heat press of a large size. I've got our 50 by 40 here. You'll need some heat gloves for handling the items with, a pair of scissors for trimming your design, and some heat tape to lock the design down onto your cushion. We also highly recommend a lint roller, and I'll show you why we use this shortly. First, we want to trim out our design, ensuring we trim every edge of the paper. This makes sure that there's no loose ink on the edges that may transfer onto our cushion cover. With that done, we lint roller the surface of the cushion cover to remove any debris or fluff. This can prevent the image from transferring properly. With that done, we're ready to prep and press. Start by setting your heat press to 200 degrees Celsius and the timer to 70 seconds. Pop your heat gloves on, as we want to protect our hands whenever we're using a heat press. We recommend pre-pressing the cushion cover or ironing it to remove any creases. With that done, you're ready to apply your design and tape it down. In this instance, we've used Inktec's Platinum paper. This is a high release paper and is ideal for fabrics and textiles. It gives a high ink release and a perfect finish. We're also going to be using an Inktec PTFE non-stick pressing pillow. This ensures that there's an even heat transfer on the pillow when it's pressed. Next, we put our PTFE protection sheet over the top of the design and then start the pressing process. When the timer starts to beep and the time has elapsed, open the heat press up, remove your PTFE protection sheet, and you can peel the design straight off. Do this in one swift movement, as we don't want any of the ink to transfer to other spots. And here we have our final pillowcase. As you can see, it's lovely and vibrant, rich deep blacks, excellent colour reproduction. It completely differs to what you can see on your printed page. We always say, never go by the printed page, always press your image onto your blank and go from this.